4-way adjustability allows for seamless leveling once installed. Concealed hinge with 1/3 in. Overlay. Nickel-plated. Easy-to-use mounting instructions and hardware included. Installs in face frame cabinets only. Liberty HN0042L-NP-U 1 3/8 inch overlay hinge 108-degree face frame, 2-pack. 1 3/8 overlay 108 degrees face frame hinge. Top reviews from the United States. Perfectly fits the standard pattern. I got these to replace a failed hinge of another brand. The size and fit were perfect. I only had to redrill the 2 screws in the door itself. Had it back together and installed in under 10 minutes. Well made and easy to use.